I'm at my brother's house in upstate New York, so I'm going to show you around a little bit. He lives in Carmel, and then my nieces both live in Beacon, which is a little, I think south of here, north? I don't know, can't remember. So we're going to go over there for a birthday party today, but great being able to visit with him and his family and all my nieces and their husbands and all their kids. It's been a blast. This is the view off of his deck. He's got about an acre and a half here, I think, and it goes all the way down to the street. They've done all this work on landscaping here, and they've got a zip line back there. Isn't that beautiful though?
Recent thing that the cats have brought in. It is alive. So we solved this problem.
It's okay, little person. You're gonna be just fine. We're gonna go out. You don't look like you're hurt. It's just dirt. Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Can you ski-doodle? Can you scooch? Can you ski-doodle away? You were putting up a big fight a second ago. Let me see that you can move. Go on. Go on. You're fine. Nobody's here gonna get you. Can you ski-doodle? You were ski-doodling like crazy a second ago. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. I'm not gonna eat you. You can ski-doodle off. I'm not a kitty cat. I'm not gonna grab, well, I mean, I did grab you. I know you must be stressed. Let me just leave you alone since I can see that obviously you can move. You okay? Why don't you scooch? Why don't you scooch? Go on. There you go. There's a good spot. Yes. Little garter snake. I'm just a snake. I'm just a little snake. Yeah, that's a good place to hide. Okay.
So we gave you a message yesterday about what we're doing with our vlog, and we're going to try to bullet point it for you today, make it a little shorter, make it concise, because there were some misunderstandings. So let's do our best to explain shortly.
Bullet point number 1.
the channel, Our Restoration Nation, is going nowhere. The channel is not leaving.
Channel's not leaving. We'll still be doing long form videos on Saturday mornings.
Yes.
That's when we typically release, and there'll be architectural, there'll be houses, there will be hope updates, restoring hope updates from time to
whatever
time.
project we're working on.
Sure, yes, which could be anything else.
Other projects, just FYI.
FYI. But if you enjoy the vlogs and you would like to continue to see the vlogs, it is
Hang on.
basically
That should
a
be
quarter per
Bullet
vlog.
point number 2.
Bullet point number 2. If you like the vlogs, you want to keep watching the vlogs, it's basically a quarter per viewing.
A quarter a day.
It's $5 a month. That's not very much. If you're watching all of these and you're enjoying them,
It's a quarter
do
a
yourself
day.
a favor and pay $5 a month.
And look, here's the deal. We understand if you can't do it. We're not guilting you if you can't do it. We get budgets. We get budgets. However, if you could do it and you're just not gonna, don't tell us. We don't need to know. Because here's the deal. It takes us, between filming and editing, putting things together, taking the time to do all this, between 3 and 6 hours at our day, every day, to put out a vlog for you. Wouldn't you say?
It's hard and it's constant and it's like, it's relentless.
It's relentless.
You've got to do stuff every day. There are no days off.
When you tell us you've enjoyed them, but you're not going to do that, that literally says to us that our time and energy and effort that we put in for you isn't worth a quarter a day for you. So that's it.
You don't have to
okay.
tell us.
Yeah, you don't have to tell us.
Is there a
It's
point number 3? Is
fine
that
to
it?
feel that way, but you don't have to tell us. And also, if you really truly can't afford it, we're super, super, super sorry. Point number 3, we're doing this because the vlogs are hurting our channel. And a lot of you are like, well, maybe it's hurting your channel because the content, people don't want to see the store. No, that's not it at all.
Yeah,
I'm going to see
it's way before that.
And the algorithm picks up that the daily vlogs only get 3,000 to 5,000 views, and so it only pushes out our long form content to 3,000 to 5,000 people instead of the entire audience.
Yes.
And a lot of you said, I came here because you started as a restoration channel. Actually, we didn't. We started YouTube as an architectural tour channel. That's how this started, was giving you architectural home tours. And we've incorporated the restoration in it. So the real restoration stuff happens over on Instagram. So if you are here just for restoration and you want to continue to see that and you don't have a quarter a day to pay, go follow us on Instagram. That's always free and we're always there.
I think that's it. The last thing is, if you do want to continue to follow these vlogs, go to ourrestorationnation.com. Become a Citizen is the page you're looking for. Like I said, $5 a month. That's not too much money.
25 cents a day. You
yeah.
too can sponsor a starving
Per
restoration.
video, not even a day, but per video.
Per video. You too can sponsor a starving restoration couple just trying to save America's
Really?
history and heritage.
Maybe do it out of the goodness of your own heart because we're struggling. So anyway, that would be wonderful, and we are sorry if you cannot afford $5 a month.
get it.
We understand. We are very sorry, and we will miss you.
We get it.
But
we won't miss you because we'll still be here every Saturday,
That's
just
true.
not every day.
That's true. Continue to watch those.
And come see me on Instagram.
That
If
was
you-
a little shorter, not much shorter. Watch
2
her on
minutes
Instagram.
shorter.
Yeah, 2 minutes shorter. So anyway, that is our message for today, and we thank you and goodbye.
And goodbye.